Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.